Administrative hearing, July 15th, 2020. We have one item on the agenda. First, Provo City Planning Commission Administrative Hearing Chair Statement v. Open and Public Meetings Act. In accordance with Utah Code 52.4.204.207.4, I have determined that conducting meetings of the Provo City Planning Commission Administrative Hearing with an anchored location such as the Community Development Conference Room presents a sustainable risk to the health and safety of who may be present there. There are the facts upon which I have made this determination. Utah has been in a declared state of emergency due to the novel coronavirus 2019 COVID-19 since March 6, 2020, a disease outbreak which the World Health Organization has characterized as a pandemic. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, states that COVID-19 is easily spread from persons to persons between people who are in close contact with one another. The spread is through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. May be spread by people who are non-symptomatic. Federal, state, and local authorities have recommended that individuals limit public gatherings, wear face masks, follow social distancing guidelines. That individuals exposed to persons experiencing symptoms of COVID-19 self-quarantine for 14 days, and that individuals experiencing symptoms of COVID-19 self-isolate to prevent the control that continuing spread of COVID-19, notwithstanding that Utah generally and Utah County specifically have moved to a low-risk yellow phase. Reported COVID-19 cases in Utah County have been more than doubled since May 31st of 2020. Physical distancing measures will be difficult to set up and maintain in the Community Development Conference Room. Therefore, for the next 30 days, all meetings of the Provo City Planning Commission administrative hearings will be conducted entirely via electronic means. Planning Commission administrative hearings meetings are broadcast live and available on a later demand at youtube.com/user/Provo channel 17. Agendas and support materials are available at provo.org PC admin hearing. To make a public comment or to join a meeting via telephone, follow the instructions provided on the public notices of each meeting. To send comments to the administrative hearing members or weigh in on the current issues, email the administrative hearing members at dspublichearings@provo.org. All right, so I'm Javin Weaver. I'm a hearing officer for today's hearing. And we only have one item on the agenda. Two items on the agenda. Number one is continued. Number two is Provo City Public Works Department requests project plan approval for phase one of the reconstruction of sewer treatment facilities located at 1685 East Bay Boulevard in the Public Facilities Zone, East Bay neighborhood. And the applicant, Rebecca is here representing Public Works, and I'll let her do her presentation.
So the project is to replace the existing treatment plant. The project will happen in multiple phases. We're going to start by doing a site preparation phase that includes demolition of the treatment filters, the clarifiers, secondary clarifiers, and building new electrical facilities and working on some of the replacement of pumps for the solids train, which won't be replaced until one of the later phases starting in like 2030 timeframe. So this project, we will be bringing forward a master plan for this project in the future that'll actually have the construction of the new facilities. But this phase is essentially mostly demo and site prep so that we can get ready to build all the new facilities. And then with that master plan, it'll include all the facilities through the 2035 time. So.
Thank you. Is there any?
So staff has reviewed the application. The CRC group has issued approval for it. The use has been, it's an existing use in the PF zone. The use isn't changing. No additional parking is going to be required. And like Rebecca had said, it's a phase project, so this would be for phase 1, and in the future there'll be additional phases that would come back to your hearing. So staff's recommendation was for approval. If you have any questions for me, I'd be happy to answer those.
I don't have any questions. So, and I did look at this board and it looked good. Now, is there any public comment or neighbor chairs present?
No, I don't see anyone.
Do you want to wait 30 seconds just in case, or?
Yeah.
There's a delay sometimes if someone were to call in or whatever else.
Just thinking the Jeopardy things on my head while I wait. 30 seconds.
No, we don't have any public comment at this time.
So I'm going to make a motion that we approve the item 2, Provo City Public Works Department request project plan approval for phase 1 of the reconstruction of the sewer treatment facilities located at 1865 East Bay Blvd in the PF zone. All right. Thank you.